In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see yourself when you talk on Zoom for Windows. This is a handy feature to make sure everything looks just right when you're in a meeting or giving a presentation. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you need to log into the Zoom application on your Windows computer. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the Zoom app and enter your login credentials. This is the starting gateway to access all the features Zoom offers. Once logged in, you're ready to join or start a Zoom meeting. Navigate to the home screen where you'll find the options to join a meeting you've been invited to or to start your own. Simply click on Join if you have a meeting ID or start a new meeting by selecting the New Meeting option. After joining or starting your meeting, it's crucial to ensure your video is turned on. You'll find the Start Video button located in the bottom left corner of the Zoom window. Click on it and your video feed should activate, allowing others to see you on the call. With your video now on, you'll notice your video feed will appear on your screen in a small window known as the Self-View window. This is where you see what others see, and it's pivotal for maintaining eye contact and ensuring you're centered on screen. It's important to make sure the Hide Self-View option is not enabled. This feature toggles whether you can see yourself or not in the meeting. To adjust this, click on the small arrow icon, which is usually located on your video feed window. A menu will pop up, giving you the option to toggle Hide Self-View. If the menu shows Show Self-View, this means your self-view is currently hidden. Click on it to enable your self-view again. With self-view enabled, you'll be able to consistently monitor how you appear to others. You also have the flexibility to move and resize this self-view window anywhere on your screen. This adaptability ensures that it doesn't obstruct important parts of the shared screen or other participants' videos. Simply click and drag the self-view window to your desired location and resize it by dragging the edges. And there you have it. Now you know how to enable and manage your self-view on Zoom for Windows, giving you that extra layer of confidence and professionalism during your meetings. Adjusting your self-view lets you present yourself exactly as you intend, making sure you're always camera ready from start to finish. Thanks for joining, and happy Zooming.